Good day, all, and welcome back to our channel. Has your New Zealand visa application been declined? Don't panic. A decline doesn't mean the end of your immigration journey. You may still have options to challenge the decision, request consideration, or appeal through an independent tribunal. In this video, we'll break it all down, including the type of refusals, your timelines, and the steps you can take to keep your dream alive. A lot of people think one decline means the end of the road, but depending on your situation, you might have days or weeks to turn things around, and the clock starts ticking the moment you get that letter. Not all visa declines are the same. The reason your visa was refused will affect what you do next. Here are some categories. Character grounds. If Immigration New Zealand believes you pose a security or a public safety risk, such as having serious criminal convictions, gang affiliations, or history of harmful behavior, they may decline your application. These refusals are serious and overturning them usually requires strong legal submissions and evidence of rehabilitation or low risk. Medical grounds. If your health condition is seen as likely to place significant cost or demand on New Zealand's health services, your application can be refused. You may be able to provide specialist medical reports or request a medical waiver depending on your visa category. Residence visa refusals. For residence applications, a decline might be due to not meeting the points threshold, not meeting English language requirements, or failing to meet the character or health requirements. These cases often allows for appeals to the Immigration and Protection Tribunal. Temporary visa refusals. This could be a work visa, student visa, or a visitor visa refused because you didn't meet employment, study, or financial evidence requirements. In many cases, you can reapply with stronger documentation. Timing is everything. Reconsideration requests. If you're in New Zealand when your visa is declined, you typically have 14 calendar days to request a reconsideration. Appeals to the Immigration Protection Tribunal. If eligible, you generally have 42 days from the decision date to lodge your appeal. Interim visa grace period. If you were on an interim visa when your new visa was declined, you usually have 21 days grace period before you must leave New Zealand. This window is crucial for lodging a reconsideration, making an appeal, or preparing a fresh application. Reconsideration. If you are in New Zealand on a valid visa when your application is declined, you may be eligible to request a reconsideration. You must apply within 14 calendar days, include new evidence that wasn't part of your original application, explain clearly why the decision was wrong and why your new information changes the outcome. An example, if your work visa was declined because your employer's accreditation expired, but they have since renewed it, submit the updated proof. Immigration and Protection Tribunal. If you are eligible, you can appeal to the Immigration and Protection Tribunal. You must lodge within 42 days of the decision. The Immigration Protection Tribunal is independent from Immigration New Zealand. They can overturn a decision if it was incorrect under immigration law or unreasonable based on the evidence. Immigration Protection Tribunal cases are complex and evidence heavy. Professional advice is strongly recommended. There's also a humanitarian appeal through the IPT if you're unlawfully in New Zealand but face exceptional circumstances of an humanitarian nature. This might apply if you have lived in New Zealand for a long time and built deep community ties. You have close family here but would suffer extreme hardship if you are forced to leave. You face serious harm or hardship if returned to your home country. For humanitarian appeals to succeed, your situation must be exceptional and compelling. Ordinary hardship isn't enough. These cases require strong supportive evidence from community leaders, employers, doctors, and other credible sources. Submitting a new application. Sometimes starting afresh is your best option. This works best when the refusal was due to incomplete information or expired documents. Fix the issues that caused the decline before reapplying, otherwise, the same outcome is likely. Get professional help. Immigration law is technical, deadlines are tight, and mistakes can be costly. A licensed immigration advisor or immigration lawyer can help you analyze your refusal and spot appeal points, help you choose the strongest pathway, prepare a watertight submission on your behalf. One decline doesn't define your future. If you act quickly, understand your options, and get the right help, you can achieve your New Zealand dream. Like this video, subscribe for more immigration tips, and drop your questions in the comments. We are here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.